brief history about this course, right? So which this RVC is a 60-70 years old college, but this MCA course started in 1997, and this is autonomous course under AICT approved and affiliated to VT University. And it's a NAC A plus, by accreditation, for last 5 years, and total seats intake is around 120 seats. So this is only about the MCA program I'm talking. And for the MCA programming, as I said, the seats is 120, and this is a 2-year program with over 4 semesters, right? And eligibility for it should be BCA or any other bachelor's degree in computers, right? Or BSc, BCom, BA with mathematics. So if you've taken this mathematics subjects as a core, then you are there for this, right? So before going to the placement parts or the other, let's make sure the infrastructure facilities. The department of MCA within RVC has 6 well-equipped ICT classrooms, as you see. One is multimedia, and 2 are tutorial halls, and 2 are seminar halls. All are well equipped with the computer laboratories, and there they have a specific skill and personality development for SC, ST, and the other students, right? So these are the infrastructure, and department has got its own library. So around 2000 books are there with different titles, and for students excellence, right? And which gets renewed over the period of time. So basically it provides and they provide all the notes as a copies, subject notes, previous year's questions, university question papers, etc. to students, so that all excel, right? And those are all there in the library. Department laboratories are also being good and Wi-Fi enabled. MCA department itself has around 200 computers, 196 computer systems, and peripherals, and this lab also has good amount of browsing facilities within, so that students are well equipped with the latest trends in the into the IT segment, right? And a good amount of stress is given on the research and consulting part. So that's why they have work with very projects on different ISRO and other DRDO and other government funded organizations. So ISRO, DRDO, and other top-notch government as well as the private sector. So you see Cognizant Technology Solutions, they have collaboration for FOSS, right? Free open source software, so the student have those access. NRB, yeah, you can see, right? So many consulting projects are going on. And now coming to the admission process, so right, so this is through PGCET and KMAT exam. So both you should be the Karnataka resident, and PGCET is for government quota, KMAT is for the management quota, conducted both by KEA. These are the websites for the KEA, and you would be already aware of this, right? So if you're not getting free seats, you can also get a management seat through KMAT quota, right? Yeah. Now the part of the curriculum, what is the things which are taught, computer science is the around 23%, the curriculum distribution. Management, they teach around 4%, and computer application they teach the most, which is 37%, because it's the MCA, and the mathematics will be there for 5%, and then projects will be there for 24% of your time or the curriculum, right? So this is how. Now jumping to the placement part, so the 100% placement opportunities are provided for, and every year more than 85 to 90% students gets placed, because another students may not be looking, because they may be going for the PhD or some other option, but the placement is being provided to 100% students, and 1995 with the average salary of 6.5 lakh, and the maximum salary was 25 lakh in the year. Previous year it was 28, and these are the companies you can see, all the good notch companies. So you have, for example, Accenture, Cisco, JP Morgan, Sapient, IBM, all the multinational companies which have global operations. Then you also see Indian companies like Infosys, right, which is there on all the Tally Solutions, right? Some of them like Whatfix, right, ThoughtWorks, all those are mid-sized to large size IT companies. Then you also see electronics companies there, like a National Instruments, like a Texas Instruments, Endurance, and all, right? And finally you also see some of the companies into the security space, like McAfee, or the healthcare, which is a CERN. So all good companies are there. Now I'll start with the placement for the previous 3 years, so 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21. So if you see the previous 2 years, the number of students were 129 and the number of offers were 111. Number of offers were 143. So you get more number of offers than the number of students itself. Similarly, for the next year also 128 students but 147 offers. So number of students offers are more than the students, but the number of students get placed is around 120. So that is, and this is the same comparison for these 2 years. The highest package for those 2 years were 12 lakhs and that increased to 28 lakhs. That's what I was saying, 28 lakhs highest salary here. In the medium salary average salary was 6.5 lakhs, but medium salary was 8.7 lakhs. So you can see that's a good 9 lakhs, close to 9 lakhs median salary you're getting. And this is the 1920 batch. Overall 147 offers, 24 lakhs highest salary, 6.5 lakh average package. Lowest package was even 4.25 lakhs, and there were 5 international package also in this batch. So you can see that it provides you not only the good number of offers with the very high salary, but also the number of offers, right? So now this is also minimum package also in this campus. You get around 4 lakhs, and this is for the ongoing batch. So this is not yet updated, but it's showing 94, but finally it was more than 110 120 students, right? So that is how the great amount of placement happens every